How to use soda ash. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's soda ash bucket. If your pH or total alkalinity levels are off in your pool's water chemistry, soda ash is a quick, safe, and effective way to correct both. Made of 100% sodium carbonate, this is the easiest way to balance your chemicals and make your pool a safer, cleaner environment. This powerful formula is the most concentrated pH and total alkalinity increaser you can find. It dissolves quickly in its granular form and goes to work immediately. Routine usage directions. 1. Dissolve by adding Leslie's soda ash to a bucket of cold water. 2. Mix thoroughly and pour into pool while walking around perimeter. Leslie's soda ash may also be added directly to the pool water. Useful tips. It is recommended to wait at least 20 minutes to an hour after adding water balancing chemicals. You should wait 2 to 4 hours, or one full cycle through the filter, to swim from the moment you use calcium chloride in your pool. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.